Hi everyone! Welcome back once again to my YouTube channel. Today's vlog is I'll be doing unboxing of this new laptop that I've got. Matthew bought this for me. This is my work laptop. So this is the box and the brand is MSI. So this one, guys, I'm so excited to open this one. I already have a laptop. So my old laptop is Surface, this one. And this is 3 years old, but this is a bit slow. So that's why Matthew got a new one for me for work. So let's unbox this. Yay! Oh, nice. Wow. So this is the laptop. So the color is carbon gray. Wow. It's not that thin like this one Surface. My Surface is very thin. It's a nice screen, big screen. This one, guys. Oh, I love it. It would be nice if it's a red red color. So there's 3 colors of this one, guys. The carbon gray, the blue stone, like it's kind of like light blue and black. But this is the color that I've got. Matthew said this is the only color that arrived in the country at the moment, so I don't have a choice, I guess. So let's turn this on, guys. So Matthew is setting this up already, and he also set the password for me, which is I don't like, so I need to change the password. Right, so now it's on. I really like the screen. Here it is. Wow. Oh my god, this is exciting. It's so nice. Love it. Hang on, I forgot to show you the cable and the charger because of the excitement. Right, so this is the cable, the charger, and I also have the manual, which is, yep, here. The manual. So this is MSI Modern 14 B5M. The LED panel is 14 inches, Full HD, anti-glare, IPS level 60 Hz. The CPU is AMD Ryzen 7 5700U processor. The VGA is AMD Radeon Graphics, and this is 8 core. So my Surface is only 2 cores, so that's why it's slow, guys. And this is 16 gig. My Surface is 8 gig. And this is 512 gigabyte of storage, and my Surface is only 256 gigabyte of storage. But this one, my Surface, has a Face ID. This one is not. This is without Face ID, but it's alright. This is 4 times faster compare my Surface, so it's way better for work and for editing videos. Alright, so these are my laptops. This is the Surface, and this is my new one, the MSI. And I'm using Adobe Premiere Rush for editing, and I'm gonna export the same video, the same length to my folder, and we'll see which one will export faster. Right, so it's ready to export. Same resolution, same frame rate. It's 1080p, Full HD, and the frame rate is 60. Exporting. Wow. So as you can see, this is my Surface, and look, guys, it's slow. And the MSI, wow, this is amazing. It's so fast. So this is 4 times faster than this, because the Adobe Premiere Rush is quite heavy, and my Surface, it can't really handle the app. but this one is perfect, guys. Oh my god, this is so nice. This is very fast, the MSI. It's so amazing. Wow, I'm really impressed. I'm really amazed of this new laptop that I have. Wow, it's finished. Already done. And look at that. Oh my god. So this laptop, the MSI, is really good for editing. It's so fast, but my Surface, I think, is good for browsing, but not good in editing because it can't handle the app, the Adobe. So it's finished, rendered. Yay! In 48 years. I would like to thanks to my very supportive and loving husband Matthew for giving me this. Thank you so much, babe, and you're very supportive. Thank you and love you. So that's all my unboxing for today. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.